Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Saint Laurent sunglasses model SLM3 in color code 002. The color of the frame is black. On the glasses are protective bags to make sure that they don't get scratched or damaged. The lenses are gray, and these glasses are also a rectangular shape. On its temple, you'll find the Saint Laurent branding in gold. On its inner right temple is the Saint Laurent Paris logo and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 55 is for its lens, 16 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Saint Laurent pouch, a Saint Laurent envelope, which holds a Saint Laurent card of authenticity, and a booklet. And a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.